It's Mother's Day weekend 2015. It's Saturday today. And, hey Reed, don't throw the golf ball. The boys are enjoying the rain out here in their boots and coats. Tracy's not feeling very well today. Hey Reed, let's not throw that golf ball towards the cars. You can throw it in the grass if you like. Why don't you guys come jump in this muddy puddle? Thank you. Hey boys, come back over here and jump in the muddy puddle. I'm getting you on video. Hey Reed, let's not put the mail in the muddy puddle. Daddy's the only one that's supposed to get the mail.
Here.
Thank you. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'll come get it. Why don't you jump in muddy puddles for a second? I'm getting you on video.
Just like Peppa and George.
Yeah, the ducks are over there, aren't they? Those ducks have been in our yard a bunch. And here's Tracy's hanging baskets.
Mother's Day presents. And then one that's my mom's Mother's Day present.
And they're chasing the ducks. Oh, here comes another duck.
Third duck is now the mix.
Wow. Yeah,
I know.
I'm going to grab some Cheerios so we can go feed them. Signing off for now.